Hey there, Marcus here with Junip CX team. I had some questions recently come up about adding summary stars to a collection page on your Shopify site, specifically when you're on a 2.0 theme, which are becoming pretty popular now. So I thought I'd make a quick video and show you how to do that. We do, on the screen, you'll see here a guide on Junip's Help Center, and you'll see it's very straightforward to add Junip's reviews in general using app embed and app blocks. But for whatever reason, collection summary stars on collection pages aren't supported as well as on your other pages. So it can, at times, it's not possible to add an app block to the collection page for summary stars. So in those cases, we can add it in manually with some code. And so today I'm going to walk through the steps that you see here on the screen so that we can show summary stars in between the title and the price, as you'll see in that picture. So first thing, we'll hop into our Shopify admin to the theme we're working on, and I'll be working in this draft theme, and we'll click on edit code to go into the theme's code. If I click preview store, I'll have a quick look at the actual site I'm working in. If I go to the catalog page, you'll see here there are no stars showing, and I want it to start showing here because these reviews do have these products do have reviews, and I want them to show here. So in that guide, it will mention a few different potential file names that you can look for, starting with something with card or with product. So if I type in product into the search bar and I go down to snippets, I can see here card product.liquid, which looks like it will work for me. So I'm going to try clicking on that. And then another tip is to look for, I can search Control F for price. This will help kind of situate myself in this file with a lot of code. So I'm looking for, okay, render price looks good. And just to confirm, if I scroll up and look for title, okay, here I see product title. So that's another indication that I'm in the right spot because I can see the product title and I can see product price, and I'm looking to put reviews in between there. You'll actually see here that there is some review code already in there. This is not Junip code. This is most likely related to my theme's default stars, which in this case, I actually want to add Junip stars so that they can be on brand and functionally the same as the rest of my stars on site. So I'm going to ignore this review information here, and I'm going to look for a good spot to put in the code, and that's going to be as close as I can get to the title. So you'll see here I have the title, some vendor information, and underneath that, outside of the if, I'm going to add in that code. So if I go back to the guide in Junip's Help Center and I copy and paste this code in, that should do the trick. And I'm just going to center that a little bit better here. Alrighty. Great. So I click save. Now I can go back to my preview and look. And so in this case, it's actually not showing the stars when I think it should be. And so the reason for it, actually the Dawn theme specifically, is a little different than the others in that you're going to see here where it normally just says product title, I have card underscore product title. And then same with price, where it normally just says card price. So where it normally just says product, it actually says card underscore product. And so that's a hint that I need to do things a little bit differently in this theme specifically so that I can show. So I've put my code in the right spot, and that can take some kind of back and forth testing. I recommend doing that in a draft theme. But in this case, it looks like I need to add a card underscore anywhere in my code that there is product dot something. And so I'm going to add that into 3 places here. Then I'm going to click save. I'm going to see if that did the trick. And in this case it did. So it just needs a minute to load. You'll see here I can now see the stars on my collection pages. And so we needed to add the right code to the right spot in our theme. and also with that card underscore bit, which is not for all themes, but may be relevant for yours. So I'd recommend finding the right spot. And again, if you are not exactly sure and you pop it somewhere, you'll be able to refresh and see maybe the stars are a little too low or a little too high, and you can adjust. And then if you don't see stars at all, it may be worth looking into that specific card bit. Hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.